Hello viewers, welcome to another project demo by Project Maker. In this video, I will be demonstrating you my new web development project which I have created using Django. The name of the project is Gadgetbazar. It's an online e-commerce platform where a person can do shopping in the similar way as he does on other platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to watch my video first. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. If you like this project, you can definitely get the source code of this project, which is available in description box as well as in comment section below. So without wasting any time, let's start. As you can see, I have already opened Python projects playlist in front of you, as this project will be a part of this playlist. Now let's move for the project demo. So I will simply open a new tab and just type Gadgetbazar .on render. I have hosted this project on render platform, which is very helpful platform for hosting Django applications. Apart from render, you can try Vercel or Python Anywhere, which is best platform for hosting Django projects. As you can see, this is my beautiful Gadgetbazar website, which is open in front of you, which has a beautiful user interface. So let's explore this website. So this is a beautiful home page, as you can see, and if we scroll down, you will get a list of products such as refrigerators, laptops, televisions, mobile phones, and so on. So moving to top again, let's talk about the navbar. It has a beautiful logo, Gadgetbazar name, and the few sections such as about, contact us, checkouts, and sign in button. Apart from this, now let's check the about button. So this is my beautiful about section. As you can see, I have added basic information of this company, the partners of company, and the payment partner, which is Razorpay in this case. So moving ahead, which is the contact section. So if a user faces any queries and he wishes to contact, then he can just use this page, fill his details, and just click on submit application. So the form will be submitted to me and I can help to solve his query. After that, this is a checkout button. So if I click on this checkout button, it will simply navigate me to the login page because I have not created an account and directly started shopping. So this is the basic logic. This was basic exploration of website. Now let's test this website. So for that, let's sign up first. So this is the sign up page. As you can see, let's add first original names. So let's add a project maker this time. The email address, I am entering valid email address because I have added email validator. So email will be sent to me for a verification purpose. Let's add a password and re-enter the password. So I will simply click on this register button. So as you can see, the message has popped up that an email has been sent to you regarding activation link. So click on that link to activate your account. So we have to go to my email and click on the activation link. I will show you that email. So as you can see, this is the email that I have just sent to me 0 minutes ago by Gadgetbazar. So I will just click on this link to get confirmation. So as you can see, account activities. So now let's try to authenticate ourselves. So I will just write the email address and password. So I hope it should log in. And as you can see, the login is successful and the first name of my is coming here. I will just show you, which is this hello project. Now here are two options, which is profile and logout. So if I click on my profile, it will simply show the basic information about me, project and email address and order details. So till now I have not ordered anything. So let's make an order first. So I will just hold down. Now let's add, suppose I want to view this fridge. So I will just click on this view button and the output is in front of you. I don't like it. So let's take this Whirlpool fridge. So just click here. So the fridge will look like this, as you can see. Now let's make add to cart option. Let's take this laptop, Asus VivoBook 14. So this is the laptop. I have used media files to store all these images, by the way. Now let's add this to cart. It's enough for now, so let's proceed to the checkout button. So this is the checkout place that was not open previously because I was not logged in. Now it has opened. So step 1 is the review your cart item. So items price. So the first was a refrigerator, which was of this amount. Second was about the laptop, which was about 46,000, and the quantity of each, which is 1. So the total amount is 58,498. So I have to pay this much amount. So this was step 1 for ensuring the details. Step 2 is the shipment details. So let's add a fake mobile number 34567 because I have not added mobile authentication. This is the pin code, email address which is already fetched from my account, an address, let's say something. So these are just suggestions that have come to me. Let's make Mumbai as Maharashtra, sorry, state as Maharashtra, and just click on this place order button. So I think so this is the button. As you can see, total amount to be paid is 58,490, which was correct, and the payment ID is this. So we have to just click on pay now button for payment. So I will just click here, and as you can see, it is a test mode of Razor Pay. So let's make a payment to net banking facility. Let's select any of the bank. Let's select Deutsche Bank as it is international bank. So see, the payment is done, and this page has appeared that it is a test mode, so we can make this payment successful as well as false. So let's make the payment success. So as you can see, payment was successful, and I have paid around 58,000 in my own app. So let's wait, and as you can see, the payment confirmation and the order ID is generated along with the payment ID, which was same. So now let's check our profile section to check the status of our order. So as you can see, the order ID is here, the product's name, which is Whirlpool, and Asus Vivo Book 14. So amount status is paid, address is Mumbai, phone number, and order is placed, and today's date, as you can see. So in this way, one can book order, explore the products, and do a lot of things. So this was all about my entire project. If you suggest any changes in this project, you can simply comment below or message me on Instagram or any social media handle that I use, which is mentioned in the description. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.